Hello. When partner makes an opening lead, how do you respond? You may be playing high, hoping to win the trick, but what if partner has already won it or it's been won in the dummy? We're going to have a look at a basic signal called an attitude signal, which is used when following suit on partner's lead or when discarding on partner's or declarer's suit. As usual, we're going to be sitting in the south seat. The contract is 4 hearts by west, which means that our partner in north is on opening lead. As north-south in this auction, the only bid we made is a takeout double by partner, which showed a shortage in the heart suit that was bid and support in the other 3 suits. As east bid 1 no trump over that double, the south hand didn't have much option except to pass, allowing east-west to reach 4 hearts quite comfortably. So north is on opening lead. What opening lead do you think you would make? Well, we're lucky. We have an ace-king against a suit contract. So that's what we're going to lead. We're going to lead the ace of spades, followed by the 5 from dummy. Now, what are you going to play from your hand? I think instinctively, as partner's already won the trick, that we're going to throw a 3 away. However, we're in a suit contract. Let's have a think what's going on here. This lead of the ace of spades promises the king. So partner is going to win the first 2 spade tricks. But if partner plays another spade, we will be able to trump our opponent. So this is where we talk about attitude. If we want partner to lead the suit again, we must play a high card. And if we don't like the suit and we want partner to change suit when they can, then we lead a low card. So it's high, encourage, low, discourage. So if you actually play the 3 here, you're saying to partner that you don't like the suit. So we're going to play the 10. Our partner will notice that that's a high card for you to throw away, unless that's a singleton. So partner follows up with the king, the 8. Now we play the 3, and so partner knows that we'll be happy if he leads a spade again. So another spade to the jack, and then we can trump in, win that trick. If we lead a diamond now, partner has the ace and can win the trick. Another spade, and although that can be trumped in the dummy, we've still got the 7 to play. We'll just play out a couple more tricks, and of course declarer is going to win these tricks. Declarer is drawing the trumps now. I think you can see that declarer has 5 trumps left. So the score is 5 to us, 8 to east-west. So we've taken the contract down by 2 tricks. So that's an example of asking partner to replay the suit so that we can trump a trick. This also works if we have another high card in the suit, which we can win a trick with, often the case in no trump contracts. So it's about saying to partner, yes, keep playing the suit because I like it. This hand's a bit different. In south, we opened 1 heart, but we soon got overwhelmed with the spade bids, 1 spade from west and 4 spades from east. So that puts west into a 4 spade contract. And again, we've got partner on opening lead. Well, we bid hearts in the auction. So partner should be leading a heart here and should be leading the 7. So low from east. Now we've got king, queen, jack, 10, and we're going to play high here. So the 10 is as good as the king. So I'm going to play the 10 and ace from west. So west is going to start to draw those trumps now. They've got an ace to get rid of. Play the ace on the king. And now we have a decision to make. What are we going to throw away on this trick? Can't follow suit, so we have to make a discard from either the hearts, the diamonds, or the clubs. Well, in terms of an attitude signal, if we want a suit led to us, then we throw a high card away. And if we don't want a suit led to us, we throw a low card. There's not much point in us signalling with a heart because partner already knows that we bid hearts and partner has made a heart lead. But there's another suit here which could really help her, especially if we look and see the cards in dummy, and that's the diamond suit. So what are we going to discard from this suit? Well, it's going to be a high card anyway. Well, it's good. We want to throw a high card from that suit. The 10 and the 9 have the same value. So if we throw the 10, that is hopefully unmistakably a signal to partner that we like that suit. And of course, partner's won that trick. So lead next. Partner now plays the diamond. Dummy plays the jack. We can simply cover that with the queen. And now we can also play the ace. We have one more heart trick to pick up before the hearts are trumped by declarer. So east, west, a down one. There's very little else we can do. Let's play these through quickly. Declarer has drawn all of the trumps now. So the rest of the tricks are going to go to east, west. 9 tricks taken. Declarer is down 1. That gives us in north-south a score of +50. Things to remember. Show your attitude to a suit by playing a high card to say, yes, I like it, or a low card to say no. High yes, low no. These signals are often called held, which stands for high encourage, low discourage. Of course, it's important to watch out for partners' signals. And we can use these attitude signals on partners' opening lead or when we're making our first discard of a suit on either partner or on declarer's lead. Be careful not to throw away a high card that you might need. It's better to keep the cards you need than it is to signal to partner. So hang on to your winners, but signal when you can. If you haven't played them before, I hope you're going to try those out.
For lessons on improving your defence, check out the courses on the Oasis Bridge website.
Goodbye for now.